do have hubby's wallet and I'm going to use this. Hey you all, I am SimoneC. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. On this channel you see that I love to do everything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, all that good stuff. So if that is something you are interested in, I would love for you to please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you all never miss an upload from me. And today we have an exciting video, you all. Today we have a luxury unboxing. Yes, you all. By the brand Telfar, you all, a black owned brand. I'm super duper excited about this one. If you haven't heard before, Telfar is owned by an African American man, and he sells everything from his luxurious designer bags, belts, hats. He also does apparel, so on and so forth, you all. So let's get into it. Here's how his items ship in a nice box that is concealed. It doesn't have his brand or logo all over the bags, just so you know people won't be tempted as much to, you know, go ahead and steal it, if you will. And the same for the front. It's a very plain box and I love that. I've been waiting. I've had this package now for a good 2 weeks or so, and I've been waiting to unbox this on camera with you all together. Okay, so that's how loyal I am to you all, because usually I would have opened the package or the box by now and, you know, got my hands into it, but I waited, you all. Look, the tape is still there. So I got my box cutter. Let's get into it together. This is a true unboxing, you all. True unboxing. Ooh. So here's what's in the box. You have the bag and your packing slip. The best part about luxury and what stands out from, you know, other purchases are things like these, you know, that you feel special by getting a dust bag. So this is what gives the purchase a more luxurious feel, even though it is affordable. So I did pick up his highly popular, raved about shopping bags. They're always sold out, you all, within a blink of an eye. So I'm so happy that I actually was able to get my hands on this one. And the color that I picked out is perfect for spring and summer. It is a pretty bright blue color called Cyan. So I cannot wait to display this dust bag with my other, you know, Fendi dust bags and Louis dust bags, so on and so forth. And here's time for the moment of truth. Oh my y'all, I'm about to pass out. Look at this color. Do you see the vibrant blue? Do you see it? Do you see this color? Oh my god, it's really perfect for spring and summer. I purposely wore a little blue today in, you know, my shirt, my collar, and even on my lower lash line, you know, so I'm like, oh yes, so excited. Oh wow. So on the handles, it just has the Velcro holder here that just says Telfar, established 2008 in NYC. I am so in love already. Just look at it, just look at this. So you get the long strap to wear, you know, over your shoulder or crossbody, and then you also get the handle straps here. So just in case you want to wear your bag as a top handle bag, you have that option as well. It is a lot smaller than I imagined. That part, I did expect it to be a little bit more bigger, so it's a little more smaller than I really expected, but it's still cute overall. And I purposely went for the small size. His shopping bags come in the small, medium, and large, but I wanted the small size just for this color for like brunch and, you know, dinner, so on and so forth, just to go out. Inside here, you have the tag with the Telfar logo and like a metallic button clasp here that keeps the bag closed. Let's go ahead and cut off the tag here. Ooh. I'm just gonna keep everything inside the dust bag. So all of his bags are also vegan leather, if I didn't mention that already. So that is very nice as well. So I'm gonna attempt to tuck in the straps now, because I'm not a crossbody type of girl. I'm definitely a top handle type of bag wearer. So let's try to get these straps in here. So far I will say that is my only con, is that I wish the crossbody straps were adjustable and could be taken off and on at your leisure or your pleasure. So that's the only thing, because now like you're kind of stuck keeping the straps in here if you don't want to wear it as a crossbody. So I want to come closer and show you the bag before we begin to fill it and show you what fits inside. Super cute, right? The color is everything. When I saw this color, I was like, oh no, I'm not missing this drop. I am not missing this drop, okay? Perfect. So here's how it looks on me crossbody and where it's catching me. Definitely around my waist area here. I am super tall, I am 5'9", so keep that in mind. It may vary in height and where it catches you if you are taller or shorter. So this is how it looks in the back and where it's catching me. It does feel comfortable being, you know, nestled right here in between, you know, the girls. So it feels very comfortable, you know, crossbody here. And then of course, if you want to wear a crossbody, you could also just tuck the top handle straps inside. So now let's get into what fits inside all of our, you know, necessary essentials for like going out or just your everyday essentials. So starting with our phone, of course. I have the 13 Pro. Here it is. So let's drop that inside and make sure it fits. Lovely, it fits right in there perfectly without protruding through the sides of the bag. So I'm sure the Pro Max would protrude a little bit more, but the Pro itself fits perfectly. Up next, of course, we need a little bit of cash and cards when we're going out to brunch vibes. Usually I just need my ID, one card, and a little bit of cash for tips. So I would just throw that stuff in here, but because there's no pocket, I'm gonna like invest in getting like a smaller wallet or a type of like card holder just for, you know, going out purposes. So in the interim, I do have hubby's wallet, and I'm going to use this as demonstration for as if this was a card holder, because it is the same size as your average everyday card holder no matter what brand. So it's gonna fit in here just fine as well. Yeah, see, I knew it, and we still have space. Let's go. Okay, so up next I have hand sanitizer. I keep both sizes in my everyday Louis bag, but for this purse I'm gonna go for the smaller one, of course. So let's just pop that right in here. Perfect. Next, we always need a lippy, of course. That is at least the one area that I need to touch up is my lips, of course. So I have my trio here, which is my MAC lip gloss, see-through, a NYX espresso chocolate like lip liner, and my Juvia's Place lipstick. Okay, perfect, perfect. We still got room. All of that fits. Very important before lip products is our keys. So we need that. That's a must. Perfect. Nowadays, we need a mask everywhere we go and in everything that we do. So I'm sure this baby's gonna fit in here with no problem, with ease. Still not much any protrusion, but it is getting full now. Has some weight to it, very sturdy now. I like that. We always need some gum, okay? We need our chicle. So let's slide that right in the front. Perfect. You still see nothing except for the straps. Love it. Okay. I always need some type of travel size perfume, so I have the Ariana Grande Cloud here. And last but not least, I need some type of powder and mirror to, you know, always touch up the face, make sure everything's in order. So this is very flat. This is my One Size Beauty by Patrick Star powder. So now it's definitely coming snug, so I think this is it. As far as fitting anything else in here, this has pretty much reached its limit. And that is it. All of my essentials fit here to go out for a brunch or just anywhere quick. I could even bring this to work, you all. Like, that is all I need. I have all of my everyday essentials that fit right in here. Perfect. Perfect. I want to come back up close so now that you can see everything's in here. It fits perfectly. Yeah, you all, I think this size is perfect. Perfect. So taking my phone out, let's get into prices. So the small shopping bag runs for $150, not bad at all, super duper affordable. The medium size is $202 and the large is $257. So you can get a beautiful luxurious look very trendy, very hot, can, you know, elevate your outfit for under 200 or 300 bucks. You cannot beat that, y'all, at all. It shipped the very next day, I believe, that weekend as well, and I received the bag within 2 business days. So by like Monday or Tuesday, I had the bag in my hands. So quick, and I just love it. So yes, y'all, that completes my luxury unboxing video and what fits inside the Telfar Small Shopping Bag. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you own any of Telfar's items, his apparel, his bags, his, you know, accessories, so on and so forth. Let me know down below. Or do you plan to get your hands on one in the future as well? Let me know. Let's get a conversation going down below. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Let's get a conversation going as always. Share this video with your friends and family, and you all, I will see you in the next one. Bye.